What's up everybody, it's Andrew from MakaiTechReviews.com, and today we're gonna check out the KZ ZS6 in-ear monitors. So let's get started. Alright, so let's start with the usual unboxing procedure. The KZ ZS6 box is quite different from the previous KZ in-ear monitors, and this one is the usual one with the microphone cable. So let's open it up. This is the black version, but KZ produce three different kind of colors: black, green and red. And inside the box you see the usual ear tips, small one and a large one. The medium is applied as a default, and here it is, the standard KZ cable with the microphone and multi-functional control button and the gold-plated headphone jack. So what's the difference between the previous version and the new ZS6? The main difference is, yes, its full housing is made of aluminum alloy, otherwise it has the same 8 drivers configuration. However, there are some exterior design changes, as you can see, and here I did some close-up shots, and you can see the main differences between the build structure. Since it's made of aluminum alloy, there are some weight differences as well. As you can see, not much, you barely notice any differences if you hold them in your hands. Since it's not glued together as the previous ZS5 and it has screws, I tried to open it up, and as you can see, I succeed. It was not hard at all. If you are into these kind of things, I made up some close-up shots, so you can check them. I didn't go any deeper since I didn't want to kill the earphones before any in-depth test. Here I'm testing first the ZS5 with my classic iPod, Classic. I'm listening the same song as usually, so Hello Kitty all the time. After I finished it, I just switched to the ZS6 to if there's any differences. Even if the drivers are the same, will I notice any differences? And hell yeah, there's something. I think it's because of the housing, because the metallic housing, I think, can give how to say a bigger rumble or area effect, something like much more immerse feeling in the mid tones. So if you have any questions, just let me know. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribe if you want to see more tech reviews like this. Thank you and have a nice day.